Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about a very big part of Python called modules. So let's talk about what modules are and also why we should use them in our programming. Well, a module is a Python file that can hold variables, functions, and classes. And we're going to talk about classes in a future video. And they're normally used in conjunction with other modules to form a larger Python project. And we should use modules because we can split up a large project and make it into multiple smaller files, which makes it easier to work on, and also there's going to be a less chance of making mistakes. Also, it's easier for a team of people to work on multiple modules than it is for them to work on a giant file. Also, it's easier to maintain a project that is done using modules than it is to maintain one large Python file. So now that I'm in PyCharm, I'm going to show you how to use modules. So in functions.py, which is this Python file right here, I have a variable called I, which is equal to 6. I have three different functions, which is one is greet, and it just says hello to somebody, and one is double, where it doubles a number, and one is even or odd, where it tells you if a number is even or odd. So I can take everything that's in here, and I can use it in this main.py, where I'm going to use these functions to do something. So let's say in main.py I want to double a number and also tell if it's even. And I want that number to be I. So what I do first is I have to be able to use stuff from this function without actually writing it. So I can say import functions, so I'm importing the name of the file. And now I can say functions dot, and now I put the function name, so I'm going to double it first. So double and functions.i, because I want to double I. So I have to always put the file name before the function or the variable or the class, which we'll be talking about in a future video. And then I also want to say functions dot even or odd functions dot I. And also make sure that this is running the main and not the functions, because I'm not actually calling anything in functions, so nothing will print out. So here, if I run main, I should get 12 and even, because I is 6. And also, since I'm not using this greet function, I don't have to import the whole file. There's actually a way to just import whatever we need. So instead of saying import functions, I can say from functions, oops, no comma there, and then I say import I, double, and even or odd. So now I don't actually have to say the function name anymore, because it already knows these three functions slash variables. So now I can just say double I, and also even or odd I, and it should give me the same answer. If I clear this, it gives you 12 and even. And that's a really basic way of using modules in Python, and in the next video I'm going to go a little bit more in depth on using modules. But that's all for now. Bye everyone!